Unleash solar power. Save thousands, power your home and help the environment. Exclusive offers inside. $1,000 cashback, $0 down for 1 year and 30% federal tax credit. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a journey that could revolutionize your life. Imagine taking control of your energy, saving thousands of dollars, and making a lasting impact on the environment. Today, we're diving deep into the world of solar power and the possibilities it holds for you. Exclusive offers inside. As a token of appreciation for considering green home systems, they have some irresistible offers waiting for you. $1,000 cashback, directly into your pocket to celebrate your switch to solar. $0 down for 1 year. Experience the benefits of solar without any upfront payments for the first year. Oak. 30% federal tax credit. Seize the opportunity to enjoy a substantial reduction in your federal taxes. Part 1. Benefits of adopting solar energy. We're about to embark on a remarkable exploration of the benefits of adopting solar energy, and I promise you, the discoveries you make here will change the way you think about power, money, and the planet. 1. Save money on your monthly electric bill. Let's start with your hard-earned money. Picture this. Saying goodbye to those ever-increasing electric bills, and instead, embracing a fixed solar payment that can put an average of $18,000 back in your pocket. 2. Increase your property value. But that's not all, your home's value can skyrocket. Homes with solar are selling for $15,000 to $30,000 more, and they're flying off the market because buyers realize they'll have little to no monthly electric bill. 3. Achieve energy independence. Imagine having control over every aspect of your life, including how you power your home. No more being beholden to a utility company, you can achieve true energy independence. Part 2. Who best qualifies for solar? Now, let's talk about who can benefit most from this incredible opportunity. If you're intrigued by the idea of saving money and embracing a sustainable future, this is where it gets real. 1. Homeowner. First and foremost, you need to be a homeowner to unlock the full potential of solar. Renters, stay with me, as there are exciting options for you too. 2. Must have taxable income. And here's the deal breaker for many. To fully enjoy the 30% tax credit, you need to be paying taxes. It's not a deduction, it's a direct reduction in your tax bill. 3. Sufficient credit score. But don't worry, we'll guide you through this. Solar financing typically requires a credit score of 650 or better. If that sounds intimidating, we've got alternatives like cash buys, co-signers, or self-financing. 4. Prospect has a phone number and email address. Everything is done easily over the phone and computer. It's a simple process to secure interest, confirm financing, and submit a proposal for installation. Closing thoughts. So, there you have it, the incredible world of solar power, waiting for you to seize. The possibilities are endless, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, you have the power to change the world, one solar panel at a time. Stay with us, as we journey into the future of energy. Introduction. Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. I'm Pablo Enrique, your solar power broker. My mission is to connect homeowners like you with the incredible world of solar energy. As we dive into this transformative journey, let's explore how solar power, driven by expert installers and market insights, can help you save money, increase property value, and make a positive impact on our environment. You might have some valid questions about going solar. You could be wondering, can I afford it? Or, what if I want to sell my house? Or, will the weather damage my solar panels? Via webinar, I'll provide answers, drawing on the expertise of industry installers and market data to guide you toward informed decisions. 5 frequently asked questions by homeowners before going solar. We'll address the 5 frequently asked questions by homeowners before going solar. These are the real concerns many homeowners have, and we're here to provide you with the answers. Question 1. Is my home suitable for solar panels? This is a common question. To determine if your home is suitable for solar panels, you need to consider several factors, including the direction and pitch of your roof. The orientation and angle of your roof play a significant role in how much sunlight your solar panels can capture. We generally recommend a roof pitch between 15 and 40 degrees for optimal results. Question 2. How much will I save by going solar? The savings from going solar depend on various factors, including your current electricity costs, the size of your solar system, and solar incentives. If you're in an area with high electricity rates, going solar can lead to significant savings. A larger solar system can also generate more electricity, potentially offsetting a larger portion of your electricity bill. Question 3. How long do solar panels typically last? Solar panels are a long-term investment designed to provide a reliable source of energy for many years. Most manufacturers offer a 25-year warranty, which is often referred to as the performance guarantee period. However, many solar panels continue to function and produce electricity well beyond the 25-year mark. It's not uncommon for them to be operational for 30 to 40 years. Question 4. How many panels do I need? The number of solar panels you need depends on several factors, including your current electricity usage, sunlight exposure, and energy goals. Your current electricity consumption measured in kilowatt hours is a primary factor. More sunlight exposure typically means fewer panels are needed. Question 5. Which brands are considered top in the solar industry? Choosing the right solar panels is a crucial decision. Some top brands known for their superior products and services include Panasonic, QCLLS, Enfys, and SolarEdge. These brands offer quality and efficiency that you can rely on. We've now covered various questions and concerns related to solar energy. These insights should provide you with a comprehensive understanding of what to expect and how to make the best decision for your home. If you have any further questions, please let me know. We're here to help you every step of the way. Our goal is to demystify solar energy, break down the barriers, and reveal how going solar can be one of the best decisions you'll ever make. So, stick with us, and let's uncover the incredible benefits that solar power has in store for you. Training. Alright, folks, it's time to dive deep into the heart of our solar journey. As you've joined us today, I know you're eager to learn more about solar power and how it can benefit you. So, let's get started. Benefits of going solar. First up, let's explore the benefits of going solar, something that's at the core of our webinar. Remember, these are the reasons why you're here today, and we're here to deliver some valuable insights. 1. Save money on your monthly electric bill. One of the most appealing aspects of going solar is the opportunity to save money on your monthly electric bill. By making the switch to solar power, you can swap those ever-increasing bills for a fixed solar payment, which, in many cases, can put an average of $18,000 back into your pocket. 2. Increase your property value. But the advantages don't stop there. Solar power has the potential to significantly increase your property's value. Homes with solar panels are selling for $15,000 to $30,000, more than their non-solar counterparts. Plus, they sell faster because buyers understand that they'll have minimal to no monthly electric bills. 3. Achieve energy independence. Now, imagine having the power to control how you fuel your home. With solar energy, you can achieve true energy independence, freeing yourself from the grip of traditional utility companies. 4. Create jobs and help your local economy. Moreover, when you go solar, you're not just benefiting yourself, you're also contributing to job creation and supporting your local economy. The solar industry is responsible for creating 2% of all new jobs and injecting nearly $100 billion into the US gross domestic product. You're making a difference while saving money. 5. Sustain the environment. And let's not forget the most important benefit of all, sustainability. Solar power is a critical player in reducing carbon emissions. Traditional energy sources are major contributors to carbon emissions, while a typical solar system can eliminate 3 to 4 tons of carbon emissions annually. Your choice can make a lasting impact on the environment. 6. Avoid outages and rolling blackouts. In recent times, we've witnessed an increase in outages and rolling blackouts due to the strain on an outdated grid. This issue is only going to intensify as we transition to electric vehicles. But when you have solar panels, you can secure a reliable source of power. 7. Power electric vehicles at no extra cost. Do you own an electric vehicle or plan to get one? Solar energy offers the opportunity to power your electric vehicle at no extra cost. By including an EV charger and backup battery in your system, you can charge your EV using clean energy with minimal reliance on the grid. 8. Solar is efficient and long-lasting. Finally, it's important to remember that the sun isn't going anywhere. Traditional energy sources have their limitations, but solar panels are here to stay. They're incredibly low maintenance, and as they become more popular, the initial costs are decreasing. Who best qualifies for solar? Our next topic is who best qualifies for solar. It's crucial to understand the criteria for a successful solar installation. So, let's explore this in detail. 1. Homeowner. First and foremost, you must be a homeowner to qualify for solar panels. It's essential that you own the property where the solar system will be installed. This isn't available for renters. However, if you live in a mobile home, you can go solar if you also own the land. In cases where the roof isn't suitable, ground mounts can be an option. 2. Must have taxable income. To take full advantage of solar incentives, you must have taxable income. The Federal Solar Tax Credit, or Investment Tax Credit, ITC, allows you to deduct 30% of the solar system's costs from your federal taxes. This is a significant financial benefit you wouldn't want to miss. 3. Sufficient credit score. Solar financing typically requires a credit score of 650 or better. However, if your credit score doesn't meet this threshold, there are alternative options, such as cash purchases, co-signers, or self-financing. 4. Prospect has a phone number and email address. Our entire process is conducted over the phone and through email. We'll use these details to secure your interest, confirm financing options, and submit a proposal for installation. So, having a phone number and email address is crucial to streamline the solar transition. We've covered a lot of ground in our training today. From the benefits of going solar to the qualifications for solar, frequently asked questions, and addressing concerns about solar installations, you now have a solid foundation of knowledge. But here's the exciting part. We're not stopping here. We're here to empower you to take the next step. If you're ready to discover more about how you can make the switch to solar energy, enjoy the benefits, and become part of a sustainable future, stay with us. So, whether you're considering solar for your home, want to save on electricity bills, increase your property value, achieve energy independence, or contribute to a greener world, you're in the right place. Now that we've delved into the world of solar energy and its myriad benefits, you're at a crossroads. You can take this valuable knowledge and navigate the solar landscape on your own, figure out the intricacies, face potential challenges solo, and hope for the best. Sure, it's doable, but let me present you with an alternative, a path that ensures success without the uncertainties. You have the opportunity to work with experts, with a team dedicated to making your solar journey seamless and rewarding. Think about it. You could choose to engage in a solo venture, or you could opt for a partnership with Green Home Systems, the experts in solar solutions. Let me shed light on what it truly means to work with an expert. But before we explore that, let me assure you that this isn't just about selling a product, it's about offering you a comprehensive solution tailored to your needs. Ready to discover how working with an expert can make all the difference? Let's dive into the details of what Green Home Systems has to offer. Welcome to the exciting phase where we unveil the exclusive offer designed to transform your solar dreams into reality. Now, you might be wondering, what sets Green Home Systems apart? Why choose us for your solar journey? Let me break it down for you. Free consultancy. The Green Advantage. We're thrilled to introduce you to our exclusive offer, the Green Home Systems Free Consultancy. This is not just a consultation, it's a gateway to a customized solar solution crafted with your unique needs in mind. Why choose Green Home Systems? 1. Expert guidance. This team comprises seasoned experts in the solar industry. They bring a wealth of knowledge and experience to the table, ensuring you receive guidance from the best in the business. 2. Tailored solutions. No two homes are alike, and neither should be their solar solutions. Their free consultancy goes beyond a one-size-fits-all approach. They analyze your energy needs, consider your property specifics, and tailor a solar solution that maximizes efficiency and savings. 3. Exclusive offers inside. As a token of appreciation for considering Green Home Systems, they have some irresistible offers waiting for you. $1,000 cashback, directly into your pocket to celebrate your switch to solar. $0 down for 1 year. Experience the benefits of solar without any upfront payments for the first year. 30% federal tax credit. Seize the opportunity to enjoy a substantial reduction in your federal taxes. 4. Financial freedom. Imagine reducing, or even eliminating, your monthly electric bill. Their free consultancy not only explores the environmental benefits, but also the financial freedom that comes with solar energy. 5. Environmentally responsible. Join us in contributing to a greener planet. By choosing solar, you play a vital role in reducing carbon emissions and creating a sustainable future. How it works? 1. Get in touch. Reach out to their expert team to schedule your free consultancy session. 2. Personalized assessment. During the consultation, they conduct a personalized assessment of your energy needs and property characteristics. 3. Customized proposal. Receive a detailed proposal outlining the tailored solar solution designed for your home. 4. Exclusive benefits. Explore the exclusive benefits and incentives available to you as part of the Green Home Systems family. Ready to take the next step? This isn't just an offer, it's an opportunity to embark on a transformative journey towards clean, sustainable energy. As we approach the culmination of this insightful journey, you might be wondering, what's the next step? How do I turn this valuable information into a reality for my home? Well, I'm here to guide you through the closing phase and ensure that you not only make an informed decision, but also take a step towards a brighter, greener future. Seize the opportunity. Your exclusive Green Home Systems consultancy waits. 1. Act now, save big. The time to act is now. By taking advantage of our free consultancy offer, you position yourself to enjoy exclusive benefits, including $1,000 cashback, $0 down for 1 year, and a remarkable 30% federal tax credit. This isn't just an offer, it's a gateway to significant savings and a more sustainable lifestyle. 2. Ready to make the switch? Here's how. Step 1. Click on the link provided below to access our quick and easy form. Step 2. Fill in the required details, allowing them to understand your specific needs and preferences. Step 3. Submit the form, and your expert team will reach out to you promptly to schedule your free consultancy session. Your questions answered. A seamless transition to solar. Throughout this webinar, we've covered the benefits of solar, the qualifiers, and the exclusive offers awaiting you at Green Home Systems. Now, the power is in your hands to make an informed decision and take the next step towards a more sustainable and cost-effective energy solution. Invest in your energy future. Schedule your free consultancy today. If you've resonated with the information presented and are ready to explore the possibilities of solar for your home, click the link, fill out the form, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Remember, at Green Home Systems, your energy future is our priority. Act now, and let's make solar a reality for your home. Unlocking the solar insights. A peek into the Q&A session. In the next segment, we'll address the top 5 questions. In this exclusive Q&A session, we're diving deep into the pressing questions surrounding your solar journey. From affordability concerns to the impact on property value, reliability during power outages, durability against weather conditions, and tailoring the look of your solar installation, no question, is too big or small. Join us as we explore the financial benefits, increased property values, and the reliability of solar energy, ensuring you have all the information needed for a seamless transition to a greener, more sustainable future. Let's unravel the answers and shed light on your solar queries. Question: can I afford it? This is a question we frequently encounter, and it's crucial to address. The good news is that by switching to solar, you can often start saving money from day one. The ever-increasing utility bills are replaced by a fixed solar payment, which frequently leads to significant savings. Homeowners who make the transition to solar can expect to save an average of $15,000 to $18,000 or even more over the life of their system, compared to what they pay their utility company. It's a financial decision that pays off. Question: what if I want to sell my house? Another common concern is the impact of solar panels on a home's resale value. The truth is, a typical solar energy system can increase the value of your home by $15,000 or more. Prospective buyers appreciate the benefits of a solar-powered home, as it means lower utility bills. So, the cost of the system can often be factored into the selling price of the house. Homes with solar also tend to sell faster, as buyers know they won't be burdened with expensive utility bills. Plus, solar energy systems hold residual value for at least the duration of the 25-year warranty. Question: what if I run out of power? This is an important question because we all rely on a consistent power supply. With solar energy, you're not replacing the grid, you're contributing to it. Solar energy systems are designed to fulfill the average daily output of electricity year-round, ensuring that your energy needs are met. Excess energy is credited for months of overproduction, which can be applied to the next month's bill. Plus, supplementary backup generators or battery systems are available to power your home during an outage, ensuring you're never left in the dark. Question: will the weather damage my solar panels? An understandable concern, but rest assured that we only utilize the strongest and most durable American-made solar products. These panels are rigorously tested to withstand the harshest conditions, from blizzards to extreme temperatures. You can trust in the quality and durability of Green Home Systems installations. Question: I don't want to change the look of my house. This is a valid consideration. Solar systems are designed to adapt to your home's unique features, including how much sunlight it receives and its orientation. Once we have these facts on the table, we can discuss the best way to make solar work for you, based on your preferences. Some homeowners prefer their solar installation to be visible from the street, while others prefer a more discreet design. Ground mounts are also available if desired, offering additional flexibility in the installation process.